Now let's say I started with a floor plan that didn't have windows, or maybe I made some changes to the interior wall, and this floor plan that I scaled previously no longer will help me as I move on to drawing out the individual floors and adding windows and so forth. Here you can see that this does not have any windows in it, but I do have a floor plan where I added the windows. So I want to show you quickly what you have to do. Go and download your floor plan. This is my floor plan here. You can see the windows and so forth. What I need to do is I need to rescale it. However, if I rescale it in this file, I will rescale everything else in the file, and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to start a new file, and I'm going to import, just like I did before, the new floor plan. There it is. I'm going to say use as image. I'm just going to click here and start to pull away and click again. Now I'm going to do the same thing as before, but notice it's in a new file, so it's not going to affect anything. One of my sections is 14 feet, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to grab the tape measure tool, I'm going to zoom into the corner, go to approximately where that corner meets. Make sure it's anchoring on the green axis or the red axis. It depends on the orientation of your file. Click again, and I'm letting go of everything, and I'm going to type in 14 feet, which is the length of that. Then I'm going to get the box that says, are you sure you want to resize this? And I'm going to say yes. And now I have a resized image, and I'm going to quickly do just a little check here. It's pretty good. So now all I have to do is select this, go up to edit, copy, then go to my old file and bring it in here by saying edit, paste, and here it is. So I'm just going to put that in here now, and I'm just going to drop it here to start, and then I'm going to delete this old one, and then I'll start building my floor plan and adding my walls and my windows to this plan.